Baby Bus!
Dino Warriors, Episode 31. Monsters Riot!
Get out of the way!
Esten gritted his teeth. The huge wings behind him spread out forcefully, creating a whirlwind that bounced back all the surrounding people.
T-Rex Flame Fist!
Halsey took the chance and punched Corporal Snobby with his flame fist.
Wait a minute!
Corporal Snobby broke into violent lamentations. He was so anxious that the little flames in his eyes lit up again.
Be careful! Don't look into his eyes!
Halsey closed his eyes as soon as possible. Corporal Snobby was stunned.
Stop cheating! Open your eyes!
The next second, as the flame fist was just around the corner, Corporal Snobby screamed in fear and got up in the air eventually.
Let's go!
Esten let out a loud roar, carried Halsey and Rachel up into the air, and headed toward Jura Elementary School.
Hurry up!
There were crying, panicked students everywhere in Jura Elementary School. The center of the playground had somehow collapsed into a big hole, and a beam of light came up from the ground. General Abi stood on the edge of the light and stared at a strange heart-shaped stone as big as a magic cube, slowly rising along with the light.
The original dinosaur stone!
With a greedy and evil look on his face, General Abi slowly stretched out his hand. At this moment, a gust of wind was blowing in the sky. He looked up and saw the three Dino Warriors approaching quickly.
T-Rex Fire Fist! Edge of the Storm!
Pliosaur Ice Sword!
Without thinking too much, the three of them launched the attacks. Time seemed to slow down, and everything was turning slow. They watched nervously as the Fire Fist, Wind Blades, and Ice Sword charged toward General Abi. Just as the attacks were about to hit him, General Abi smiled. Oh my. Ooh, that is definitely an evil smile.
Sorry, too late.
General Abi's hand stretched out quickly and grabbed the original dinosaur stone at once. A mass of black smoke swelled violently, exploded, and spread out in all directions.
For this day, I've been waiting for so many years! Just this day! Now it's time for the greatest monsters to wake up in the name of General Abi!
A dazzling red light suddenly shone out of the black smoke, exploded like fireworks, and scattered to the entirety of Jura City.
Watch out! That's the monster light of General Abi!
Under the nervous and outraged eyes of the Dino Warriors, almost everything irradiated by General Abi's red light, cars, electrical appliances, and even a stone turned into monsters.
What happened?
People in the city watched in panic as countless monsters were born around them. Jura City almost became a city of monsters.
Destroy the city as quickly as you can, my monsters! The original dinosaur stone has endless energy, and my monsters will be eternal! Dino Warriors, today is your doomsday!
Together, Numerous monsters flooded into Jura Elementary School. Many of the people who were about to flee the school were forced back in. They were filled with panic and fear.